Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy rice cake known as Mkate wa sinia in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1.5 cup of water, 2 cups of overnight soaked rice, 1.5 cup of coconut powder, but you can use coconut milk, approximately 3 cups, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 packet of yeast, which is approximately to 7 grams, and lastly 1 cup of sugar. So this is the cup that I've used to measure all the ingredients. So the first step, in a medium-large blender, you're going to add 2 cups of soaked overnight rice. Then you're going to add 1 packet of yeast, which is approximately to 1 tablespoon, followed by 1.5 cup of coconut powder. Then you're going to pour 1.5 cup of water. And lastly, add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix everything well, then cover your blender to blend till everything is nicely blended. I'm going to pour a half a cup of water, so in total I've used 2 cups of water. But if you don't have coconut powder, you can use 3 cups of coconut milk. Then cover your blender and blend for approximately 7 to 10 minutes until the rice is nicely blended. After approximately 10 minutes, your rice should be nicely blended like this. Then your mixture is ready and pour in a medium-large bowl. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. You can add more or less, that's up to you. Using a spatula or a wooden spoon, mix till everything is nicely combined. At this point, you can test the rice mixture if you love more sugar or not, but I can tell you 1 cup of sugar was definitely enough. Using a foil, you're going to cover the mixture and place it in a warm place for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour until the mixture double size. So after approximately 1 hour, my mixture has double size, as you can see in the video. Unwrap the mixture, then using a wooden spoon or a plastic spoon, give a quick mix and mix the mixture for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. So the next step, you're going to take a baking pan or a baking dish, or you can use a metal pot. Then pour approximately 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Then spread the oil at the bottom. Then afterwards, pour the cake mixture into the baking pan or into the baking sheet. This is to prevent the rice from sticking at the bottom. Then place the rice cake in a preheated oven and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes to 45 minutes depending on your oven. If you don't have an oven, you can just pour the rice mixture into a metal pot. First pour some oil, then pour the rice mixture into the pot. Then bake it in a low heat for approximately 35 to 40 minutes until the cake becomes firm. Once the cake has become firm like this, you're going to place it in a preheated oven and grill it for 10 minutes until it's golden brown. And if you don't have an oven, you can just add some burnt charcoal on top of the lid, then bake it for approximately 10 minutes until it becomes a golden brown color. So actually this rice cake, I baked it before and I had to record this part so you can be able to see another version of the rice cake without an oven. After 40 to 45 minutes, my rice cake in the oven is nicely baked as you can see in the video. It has this amazing golden brown color. Let it to cool down completely before removing it from the baking pan or from the pot. When the rice cake has cooled down completely, take a knife and remove the ends, then afterwards remove the rice cake out from the baking pan and serve it on a plate. I'm going to cut the rice cake into two so you can able to see how the rice cake looks. Like, look how soft this rice cake is. Like, this cake was so tasty. Once you get to try this recipe, kindly tag me on my Instagram account or on my Facebook accounts. Cut your rice cake into pieces. You can eat along with some warm tea, coffee, or anything that you like and enjoy your tasty rice cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.